Hello, my name is Greg Pally. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the best and worst way to manage a 15-year-old TPO roof. In quick summary, the best way is to coat it with a silicone roof coating system or any elastomeric coating, and the worst way is just automatically assume to rip it off and put a new TPO roof on. So what's a real world example? Say there's new construction, you put a TPO roof on there, no big deal. It's maintenance throughout the 15 years, and the 15 years are up, and you call the person that installed it and say, hey, the warranty's about to be over, what do we do? And they only offer you the opportunity to rip it off and put a new TPO roof on there. And the building owner, being unaware of the options he has, just goes with it and moves on with his day. Done deal. It's a big issue. This whole scenario is a huge issue because they're unaware of a roof coating system and how it all works. The contractor doesn't even offer it because it's way more money for that project. Roof coating system is 1/2 to 1/3 the cost of a new installation. So huge difference. Talking about $100,000 project 15 years ago. Well, now with everything going up, it's probably $150,000 for that job. When the worst case scenario for a recoat or a coating project would be $75,000. Half of that. So big difference there. What are the benefits of a coating system versus a complete tear off? First thing is cost. Like I said, at worst case, it's going to be half price of a new installation. The other thing is it comes with a renewable warranty. So you put coating on there, say you do a 15-year warranty, that'd be 25 mils of coating, 25 mil thickness of coating. Once that 15 years are up, there may be like 2 or 3 mils of that coating left. And it's meant to be sacrificial with the weather and elements and all that stuff. So once that 15 years are up, you can power wash the roof, do simple repairs, and put another 25 mils of coating on there and get another 15-year warranty. The membrane of the roof doesn't get touched at all. You just keep putting that coating on there, and wears away, more coating wears away, and you keep getting a brand new warranty. Keeping that roof under warranty is a huge thing. The only good thing that people aren't aware of that really doesn't influence the wallet is it's good for the environment. When you do a coating system, the tear off is minimized. So when you initially do the first part, the first time you put coating on there, you might do an infrared scan, you might look at the seams, you might look at all the penetrations, make sure they're okay. And you only replace in the wet or bad insulation or the membrane. Do that the one time, you put coating over that, and you're done. It's not you remove and replace 100% of the roof. You might do 10% of the roof or 5% of the roof, whatever it might be. So it's great for the environment, landfill contributions, all that stuff. And the last thing is when you do a coating system, you're left behind with a seamless membrane. There's no fasteners, no screws, no seams that can lift up. The roof is under one layer, one level. It's kind of hard to imagine, but without wind uplift to get underneath certain things or a fastener to back out, it's just a lot less opportunity for the roof to be exposed to water. So definitely a huge advantage having a seamless membrane. So hopefully you learned a little bit today, one thing new, and thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.